State. We'll move on down to Ogun State and talking primary health care now. Major stakeholders in the health sector say with adequate funding for primary health care, there would be a drastic reduction of patients across various hospitals in the country. This call was made at the 2017 Sanyolu Memorial Lecture held in Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital. In his welcome address, Chairman, Nigerian Institute of Surveyors, Ogun State Chapter, Surveyor Tunde Ashaye, says government must be ready to work in reducing the number of patients in hospitals, health centers by regular checkups and consultations.
Today has witnessed a series of healthcare challenges emanating from ignorance, high poverty level, corruption, government negligence, insufficient budgeting, attitudinal behavior on the part of workers in the health sector.
The Ogun State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Babatunde Ikpaye, says the government has prioritized preventive care, which has led to over 2.3 million people being vaccinated and to supply of vitamin A to about 1 million people in the year 2016.
And so our job is to make sure that we continue to prevent things that will make people not fall sick. Because Nigeria as a country cannot afford expensive health care.
Healthcare issues in Nigeria are not only sensitive, but very emotional. An average Nigerian citizen expects as a matter of right to receive free health care.
Surveyors were called upon to work with government at all levels to use geospatial information in the distribution of health centers, hospitals, and other social and infrastructural facilities to residents. On the other hand, government was also advised not to politicize healthcare, but properly fund it.
It's not possible to control epidemics and predict the possible outcome of an epidemic and prepare what we call epidemic preparedness if you don't have geospatial information.
There is need for short and long-term action to be taken to improve the funding of the health system and efficiency on how funds are used to deliver health benefits to citizens of the country.
You're still watching the news come to you from Galaxy Television. Still ahead, more stories on the local, foreign, and sports news in a moment when we